So AI Platform Creator Review, the ultimate AI platform revolution. So introduction. Hey, welcome to my AI Platform Creator Review. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own AI platform like Jasper AI, Mid-Journey, or ChatGPT, but felt overwhelmed by the cost or complexity, this is the solution you've been waiting for. In today's video, we're diving into AI Platform Creator, a revolutionary tool that lets you build and customize your own AI-powered systems without needing expensive coders or technical expertise. So imagine launching your AI platform with just a few clicks. Let's explore how AI Platform Creator can help you unlock the potential of AI and start earning big profits, hassle-free. What is AI Platform Creator? AI Platform Creator is a game-changing software that enables you to build AI platforms similar to the giants like Jasper AI, Mid-Journey, and ChatGPT. With over 200 built-in AI tools, it's perfect for anyone looking to create AI content, run AI eShops, or launch platforms without the need for expensive developers. Here's what you get: effortless customization. Create your own AI system with a user-friendly interface. Revenue potential. Charge customers weekly, monthly, or annually, potentially earning as $500 to $1,000 per customer. Click domain payment integration. Seamlessly set up domains and accept payments through PayPal, SD, or Neon. Stripe. The best part: no coding needed, no freelancers, no hassle. Let's walk through the features. Key features and benefits. Here's why. AI Platform Creator is a must-have. 200+ built-in AI tools for generating images, videos, voiceovers, and more. Unlimited hosting user registrations. Grow your platform without limits. A seamless payment integration. Accept payments directly on your AI platform. Mass messaging. Easily send bulk messages to customers with the built-in autoresponder. Create AI eShops. Start selling AI-generated content like HD images or voiceovers. No more hiring expensive AI coders. This platform is fully equipped to help you launch and profit. How does AI Platform Creator work? Launching your AI platform is super simple, and you're just 3 clicks away. Enter your domain. Add your domain or use a subdomain provided by the platform. Customize your AI platform. Choose the color, fonts, and branding to match your style. Profit. Start selling to customers with your pre-built sales page and charge for AI content or platform access. It's truly a set-and-forgetting system designed for bot newbies and experts. The new AI Platform Creator comes at a steal for just $7 on launch, but there are some great upgrade options to consider. Auto 1 Unlimited Upgrade, $67. Auto 2 Done For You Edition, $147. Auto 3 Automation Upgrade, $97, and more, including reseller licenses and creative bundles. Booster. Not easy to use. Perfect for beginners with no technical knowledge. Affordable. A one-time investment with lifetime access, no recurring payments. Profit potential. Easily charge customers for AI services or platform subscriptions. Cons. Learning curve. While user-friendly, it may take a bit to get comfortable with all the features. So, is AI Platform Creator worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a digital marketer, freelancer, or just someone looking to launch your own AI-powered business, this tool has everything you need. With its built-in tools, payment integrations, and AI customization, you can start earning passive income and build your own AI empire. If you're ready to get started, click the link below to grab AI Platform Creator and start revolutionizing your business today. Don't miss out on the exclusive bonuses and early bird pricing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the latest digital tools. Jasper AI platform creator. Now through the link in the description for just 10 me 20 out. And mafu 70 mays.